Follow these steps to restore your system to its original state. Open Settings. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to open the Settings app. Navigate to System in the Settings menu. Click on System in the left-hand column. Go to Recovery. Scroll down and select Recovery from the list of options on the left. Reset this PC feature. Click on the Reset PC button. Choose an option. You will be prompted to choose between two options. Keep My Files. This option reinstalls Windows 11 but keeps your personal files. It will remove apps and settings. Remove everything. This option will reset your PC to its factory settings, removing all personal files, apps and settings. Follow the instructions. After selecting your preferred option, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the reset process. Your computer may restart several times during this process. Remember to back up any important data before starting the reset process, especially if you choose the Remove Everything option, to ensure your files are safe. Set up Windows. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to go through the initial setup process, including setting your preferences and logging into your Microsoft account. Also watch our other tutorials on Windows 11. Please subscribe to Dozro channel.